Welcome to Nanoose Bay Today, your weekly look at real estate, weather, and highlights in one of Vancouver Island's most incredible places to live, work, and play. I'm your host, Mark Dalton, and here's what's happening.
All right, well, let's get into one of my favorite topics here, and that is real estate in Nanoose Bay. So as of October 22nd, 2025, the number of active listings is 59. That includes 36 single-family detached homes, 13 condo apartments, 8 raw land, and 2 manufactured homes. Okay, so the number of pending sales, those are sales that are set to close. We've got 13 single detached homes, 1 manufactured home, 1 condo apartment, 1 piece of land, and 1 townhome. Now, the number of homes that have sold in the past 45 days is 5, including 2 detached homes, 1 manufactured, 2 row townhomes. So in reference to these homes that are sold and pending, which is 22 total, we've got a price range in detached homes from $720,440 to $6,215,000. Manufactured homes, 305, 435, respectively. Condos, apartments, 485, land, 550,000. Row townhouses, 610 to $1.125 million. And that's our look at Nanoose Bay real estate. If there's anything in any of those stats that you would like more information on, feel free to reach out to me anytime. All right, well, let's look at what's happening in and around Nanoose Bay. Hey, did you know there's a group of fine people that like to go cold plunging here in Nanoose Bay? They typically meet at the end of Oakleaf Drive every Sunday, 9 a.m. There is a Facebook page in reference to this. And again, everybody is welcome, all ages. And one day I'm going to get the courage to join them. Let's talk about the weather for a minute. Yesterday was absolutely beautiful. Great to see the sun shining. This morning, heck of a sunrise. Hopefully you got to see that as well. Looks like we're going to have some rain for the next number of days. Does it really matter? No, it doesn't. Get outside and enjoy our beautiful area.
Thanks for watching today's video, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and share. Remember, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.